Want to get a jump start on your roofing takeoffs in TradeTech software? With the TradeTech Roofing Bundle, just enter your pricing in the database lists and you're ready to go. Pre-built takeoff assemblies have everything that you need to capture all material, labor, subcontract, equipment and other items for all shingle roofs and trim, metal roofs and trim, low-slope roofs and trim, and gutters and downspouts. The bundle includes ready-to-go database lists with standard items for shingle roofing material, metal roofing material, low-slope roofing material, roofing underlayment and trim, gutters, and labor. Just add your pricing. With 6 pre-built reports, you'll be completing your takeoffs within hours instead of days. Having 4 different material reports, an in-house bid report and a finished bid proposal report that can all easily be exported to Excel, PDF or CSV files create a complete takeoff and estimating package. Check out the TradeTech Roofing Bundle in the TradeTech store today.